I'm going to follow the steps to create a tool for Claude for desktop that I shared in my blog post. Link in the description. Step 1. Create the MCP tool. Step 2. Add the tool logic. The create tool creates a scaffold to guide you. Step 3. Open Claude for desktop. If it was opened, you need to restart. Step 4. Test the tool. Assuming you already installed the requirements, let's start with the first step. npx to run the mcp-create-tool command. We pass the name of the tool to create, or in MCP context, the server name. In this case, we will create a tool called myAgenico-tool. T to specify the name of the tool class name. In this case, echo. D to specify the description of the tool. In this case, echo a message from MCP server to the client. The command will add the tool to Claude's configuration file. You don't need to worry about that. I will show you later in the video. Change the directory to the tool folder and build the tool. Compile the tool with the command npm run build for Claude to be able to use it. Before going to the Claude for desktop, let me show you the configuration file that was updated with the new tool. One important thing to consider, if you use bun instead of Node, then you don't need to compile the code. Bun can execute the TypeScript file. Okay, now let's open Claude for desktop and test the tool. That's it. You have created a tool for Claude for desktop. What tools are you going to create? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to check the blog post for more details, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Go Rebels!